Alright, so I just went to the pick and pull, picked up a 2006 Honda Accords VTec solenoid with the 1 bolt on the side for only $8. And this, I think, is OEM. This is the Dorman piece of crap. Alright, I'm gonna floor it. Please work, please work. Limp mode. Still. Alright, so I just picked up my Honda Element from the auto shop in Vancouver, Washington, Orchards, Express Auto Care. And now I have my check engine light, which has always been on, but now I have a low oil light. So I'm guessing that's because I have low oil. I will check later when I pull off. But when my guess is when they were replacing the solenoids, some of the oil slipped out, or maybe too much, and they did not replace that oil that came out, because my oil was always leveled. So let's see when I pull over.